Welcome to BioMars. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna introduce a new topic which name is evolution. Evolution is a really broad topic. I learned it about like 10 weeks and it's really complex. So I just wanna briefly introduce the evolution. Evolution has two parts. One is selection and another is drift. Both of them can cause the evolution. There are three kinds of a selection: stabilizing selection, directional selection, and disruptive selection. Before I introduce these three kind of selections, I gotta talk about two important, very important concepts. One is traits, another is phenotype. Traits is characters expressed by gene or influenced by environment. It can cause deselection. And second thing is phenotype. Phenotype is any visible characters. In contrast, there is a thing named as genotype. Basically, the change of genotype causes the change of phenotype. However, genotype is related with DNA, with gene, which also very closely related with drift. So I'm gonna skip the genotype and talk it in the drift section, maybe the next video. So let me introduce a stabilizing selection. Stabilizing selection is an average phenotype is selected for an extreme of the phenotype are selected against. For example, the flower height too short will cannot reach this light, so the lowest one will die. So here is the chart of stabilizing selection. The red is after selection and the blue is original. You can see that both of the peak are same. Second one is directional selection. Directional selection occurs when individuals with traits on one side of the mean in their population survive better or reproduce more than those others. For example, the big size in finches. The finch might evolve the big size by following this selection. So we can see that original is here and after selection is here. Oh, here is after selection, here is the original. They are really different, like big difference. And the third is disruptive selection, which also called the diversifying selection, describes the changing population genetics in which extreme values for a trait are favored over intermediate values. For example, oysters. The light oysters prefer to live in shallow rock because both of them have light color. And the middle oysters prefer to live in any rocks. And the dark oysters want to live in shadow rock. And this is the charts that before and after disruptive selections. Original and after, they have big, huge difference. So in short, stabilizing selection is followed by the original. Direction has different with original, and the disruptive has huge difference with original.